Have you ever experienced asking your child what they want to eat for lunch and hearing them respond with, "Oh, Mom, I would love to have sag. It tastes delicious"? I guess not, because they're more likely to respond with, "Mom, let's go out and have a double zinger with chips." What can be the reason why today's generation would prefer a juicy zinger burger over a spinach dish that is way more nutritious than that crusty patty? How and why do food preferences change across different generations? Does society and culture have any impact? We decided to test this theory by interviewing 3 generations across a family to see how their snacking habits differ. Let's dive in and see what they had to say.
घर पे बना
पहले तो घर पर बनते थे स्नैक्स, कुकीज़ वगैरह होते थे जो मौसमी स्वीट्स होती थीं, वो मिलते थे।
I usually buy snacks from outside, maybe a cake or a cupcake or maybe a donut, a brownie. When I'm at my home, the snacks that I eat, like my mother forces me to eat, are like fruits वगैरह।
बनाते थे, समोसे बनाते थे, कबाब बनाते थे, पेटिस बनाते थे। बाहर से नहीं, बाहर से तो हम शुरू से नहीं, बाहर के खाने के हक में नहीं थे। चिकन थी, उसमें करके मसाले डालते थे, बट उसके अंदर अंडा भी डाल देते थे, फिर उसको फ्राई भी करते थे, तो चिकन क्रिस्पी बन जाती थी। उस वक्त इसको फ्राई चिकन बोलते थे।
हाँ, गुड़ वाले कुकीज़ हैं, वो बड़े अच्छे होते थे, वो बड़ी याद दिलाते हैं उस वक्त की।
Like I remember there was this candy called Shamshu, and I have like this memory of me and my sister going to buy this candy, and it used to taste very good, and it's not available today, and that's why this candy particularly reminds me of my childhood.
पहले भी हम खाते थे मगर कम खाते थे, और अभी तो बिल्कुल समझो खाना छोड़ दिया। वो बिस्किट नॉर्मली थोड़ा सा ले लिया या केक ले लिया, थोड़ा सा, ज़्यादा नहीं।
तो एज के हिसाब से फ्रूट्स वगैरह स्नैक्स में सही रहते हैं क्योंकि वो हेल्दी भी होते हैं।
So for me, I'm mostly at university now, so mostly Rahim bhai ke fries, so that's something that I enjoy with like different toppings every day, like chili garlic, kabhi chutney ke sath kha liya, kabhi garlic mayo or honey mustard. And has it changed over the years? Yes, because in my childhood I remember eating like biscuits and stuff, which I don't usually eat now. I used to eat a lot of these things in bachpan, but like now I prefer it's not healthy either, but I prefer more oily and like more sweet foods.
पहले के मुकाबले में आपका जो ऑयल है ना, उसमें मिलावट हो गई है, चेंजेस। वो हेल्दी फूड हो गया, हेल्दी फूड, तो उससे गुरेज करते हैं कि ये चीज़ ना खाई जाए, कम से कम खाई जाए।
पहले एज फैक्टर नहीं था, अब एज फैक्टर की वजह से हेल्दी स्नैक्स सोचना पड़ता है।
I particularly think that I don't think whether a snack is healthy or not. If I feel like eating it, if I'm craving it, I'll just go for it. And was it something you thought about in the past? No, actually, because I am a person, if I like something, I won't be like very health conscious about it and just eat it.
तो सीखने पर तो उन माँ बाप को गौर करना चाहिए। अगर माँ बाप नहीं चाहेंगे कि भाई आप कंट्रोल करें कि भाई इस खाने से ये नुकसान आते हैं, आजकल हर चीज़ मिलावट है।
आज की जनरेशन को चाहिए कि वो हेल्दी फूड्स की तरफ आएँ, और ये जो जंक फूड है उसने ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट टाइम में तबाही की हुई है, क्योंकि वो जल्दी उसको खा लेते हैं और ये सही नहीं है। स्नैक्स हमेशा हेल्दी होने चाहिए।
I feel sad for the next generation because they will never eat the snacks which were of higher quality, and there are certain snacks which I really loved in my childhood that are not available today, and I feel sad that the next generation won't be able to try that.
ज़ाहिर है बाज़ारी चीज़ तो मिलावट वाली होगी, घर की चीज़ बनी हुई असल होगी, उसमें मिलावट नहीं होगी। वो क्योंकि हम अपने हाथ से धो के उसको साफ करके उसको पकाएंगे अच्छे तेल में, तो वो अपने ऊपर डिपेंड करती है बात। बाजार के खाने को तो हम देखने ही नहीं चाहते कि वो कब का रखा हुआ, कब फ्राई करके देते हैं, कब का पुराना है नया है, वो चीज़ तो नहीं जानते ना।
हाँ, पहले मेरी ग्रैनी ये बनाती थी स्नैक्स, कुकीज़ वगैरह, इस वजह से ये ट्रेडिशनल और कल्चर है।
I mean, to a certain point, yes, because there are some snacks which are like traditionally made at my house, like gur papri वगैरह, कुछ लड्डू, कोई आटे का हलवा. These are something that I really enjoy eating, and these have like family values and traditions attached to it as well.
आजकल तो स्नैक्स में बर्गर, फ्रेंच फ्राइज़ और चिप्स खाए जाते हैं जो कि इतने हेल्दी नहीं हैं. जो उस वक्त जो थे वो फ्रूट्स को और कुकीज़ को और होममेड चीज़ों को प्रेफर किया जाता था. तो आई सजेस्ट पहले के मुकाबले में अभी जो है ना वो स्नैक्स इतने अच्छे नहीं हैं.
एक्चुअली जो सारे बिस्किट्स अभी मिलते हैं जैसे चॉकोलाटो, ग्लूको, मेरी, उनकी पैकेजिंग इज़ सो मच वर्स राइट नाउ. जो बचपन में मिलते थे, द क्वालिटी of the packaging was also very good, and the size of snacks, the quantity of snacks, the cream between the biscuits was also very high. So I particularly think that modern snacks की ये बात कि उनकी quantity के साथ उन्हें quality भी reduce कर दी है, and the price is much higher. That makes me think that the snacks available in the past were better.
After speaking to each family, it seems to be that families in the past often shared meals and recipes, creating a strong bond over traditional home-cooked dishes. These meals were typically rich in nutrients and prepared with fresh ingredients. However, with the rise of fast food and busy lifestyles, younger generations seem to prefer convenience over nutrition. It's quite obvious that the older generations seem to prioritize healthier snacking options, meanwhile the younger generations seem to prioritize flavors and visuals and accessibility of those snacks instead. The older generations seem to be more aware of the nutritional value of the food being consumed, meanwhile the younger generation, though also aware to an extent, did not seem to care much for it. The term intergenerational nutritional knowledge refers to the dietary habits, preferences, and nutritional wisdom passed down from one generation to the next. This knowledge transfer can significantly influence the food choices and health outcomes of future generations. Although the younger generation does seem to prefer some of the snacks they grew up eating with their parents, there are other factors, like perhaps the fast-paced society nowadays, where food is influenced by many other cultures around the world. Now with this, some would argue that we are slowly losing culture in food with how mixed society is. But is that really a bad thing? Or could we also have something to learn from other families around the world? We'll let you be the judge.